Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at CNCM Online Round 1 Problem 2, which is written by me, Eli Park. So let's read the problem first. Oxter is reading a 500-page book with odd number pages on the left and even number pages on the right. Multiple times in the book, the sum of the digits of the two open pages are 18. Find the sum of the page numbers of the last time this occurs. So hopefully you can see here that with a little bit of investigation, one of our key observations is going to be that the ones digit of the left-hand pages book has to be 9. So it has to be something something 9, making this something something 0. And we can see that because if it weren't, then the sum of the digits of this is going to be 1 less than the sum of the digits of that. And if you add two consecutive numbers, you're always going to get an odd number, which is not 18. So we'll see that's going to be something something 9 and something something 0. Oh, oops, sorry. Our second observation we're going to make, since we're bounded with 500, we know that we're not going to have any thousands place stuff. So our next observation here is that the two numbers have to have the same hundredth place. So let's say for contradiction it wasn't, okay? So that means our number would be of the form x 9 9, and then this number would be of the form x plus 1 0 0, right? So for example, if x is 2, then our two numbers would be 299 and then 300. And just summing this up, you can see that this is x plus 9 plus 9 plus x plus 1 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 2x plus 19. And there's two issues here. First, this already exceeds 18. And second of all, this has to be odd. So we can clearly see here that this is just not it. So now what we can do is assume that these two numbers have the same hundredths place, which means we can let the tens digit here be y, and this must be y plus 1. And we're not going to have any issues with carrying over or whatnot. So now we can just add these up. This is good. If we add them all up, we get 2x plus 2y plus 10 is equal to 18, which simplifies to x plus y is equal to 4. Well, now we don't have many cases left. We can just try to test all the ones that work here, because since we know that x and y must be non-negative integers, we can get our only pairs are 4, 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, and 0, 4. And then we want the last time this occurs. So in the book, the last time it occurs is when the page numbers are the largest. So, and since we want the largest page numbers occur when the hundredths digits are the biggest, we pick when x equals 4 and y equals 0. So that means our page numbers become 409 and 410. And then just for sanity, we can quickly check that this satisfies all the constraints. Odd number pages on the left, and the sum of the two digits is 18. And we know that this works, so we can now sum our two numbers, which becomes 819.